emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Ottawa County in northeastern Oklahoma until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm is located 3 miles southeast of Veneta, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Miami, Veneta, Grove, Fairland, Afton, Bernice, Clear, Narcissa, Bernice State Park. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 280 and 306. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for northeast